What's up, everybody? This is Tony Lopez with Alternative Living Spaces, and excited for this episode where we're going to be deep diving into the topic of RV rentals. And I'm going to share with you our single best rental that we've had so far. Let's dive right in. So we've been doing RV rentals for about 2 years now, and about a year ago, we made the decision to start managing other people's RVs for them. Now, if you're new to the channel, we're based out of Las Vegas, Nevada, and it is a great location for RV rentals because there's a lot of demand. I like to tell people that if you're considering renting out your RV, there's really two things you want to consider. The first is, are you in an area where there's a major airport nearby, where people are going to be able to fly into your location and then from there rent out your RV to go and explore. Now, if they're going to be exploring, that does mean you need to be in an area that's also near really cool things to explore. So for example, here in Vegas, we're surrounded by a variety of national parks, and this is the big demand that creates the business that we're able to operate. So people want to fly in town, rent out their RV, and go explore. Now, just recently, we had the biggest RV rental that we've ever had in terms of the payout for one single booking. And that payout was about $10,000. It was a 42-day rental. It was for a Tiffin Wayfarer that we have. Really is a beautiful RV. Now, what surprised me most is that while over 90% of our bookings come from Outdoorsy, this large booking in particular actually came in from RV Share. It's for that reason that I encourage people, make sure to have your units listed on as many platforms as possible. Of course, there's a little bit of energy early on to list it on the platform, but once it's on there, it's on there for life, right? Like you can literally just make some small tweaks and edits to it, but you're gonna always be able to get business from those platforms. Now, while most of our rentals are between 5 to 7 days, one of the nice things about this one being 42 days long is it still just required one cleaning. This cleaning took about 3 hours, but those 3 hours invested now are generating a couple $100 every single day for us for the next 42 days. I share all of this to say this. If you own an RV and you've been on the fence whether you should rent it out on platforms like Outdoorsy and RV Share, I think a testimonial like this is good enough encouragement to say, why not list it? Even if you're listing it at a premium price that is the price that you're willing to then rent it out at, it doesn't hurt to at least list it on these platforms. And you never know, you may, just like us, get a booking for over 30 days that in one booking can pay your expense for your RV for the entire year. If you're interested in learning more about how to rent out your RV as a nightly rental, I'd encourage you to click the link in the description below. I put together a free guide to help you. Also, if you're an RV owner and maybe you don't want to manage your own RV, but you're looking for someone else to manage it, we do offer that service right here in Las Vegas. So I'd love to connect with you. Also have more information on that down below. And I'll look forward to seeing all of you in our next videos.